Banks don't want you to know this, but your credit card isn't just for spending. Hidden inside are powerful credit card hacks, credit card tips, and credit card secrets that can save you thousands of pesos, boost your rewards, and even improve your credit score. Stick around because today I'm breaking down the best credit card hacks banks don't tell you, including how to use a credit card the smart way, especially if you're a beginner. Quick story: I used to think credit cards were a trap. I avoided them because of the fear of debt. But once I learned how to use a credit card wisely, everything changed. I got free flights, cash back on bills I was already paying, and built a strong credit history. That's why I created the Freedom Years Project, to share real money strategies that actually work, not the myths banks want you to believe. Here's the truth: most people use credit cards incorrectly. They swipe without a plan, fall into credit card debt, and get stuck paying ridiculous interest rates. Others think their card is useless beyond emergencies. But the reality is, with the right credit card hacks to save money, you can turn it into a powerful financial tool. Stick around because I'll share 5 powerful hacks, plus a bonus tip at the end, that will show you how to make your credit card work for you instead of against you. Hack number 1. Always pay in full and on time. The first and most important hack: never carry a balance. Always pay in full and on time. Banks make billions from people paying only the minimum. If you pay late, not only do you get hit with fees, but your interest skyrockets. Paying on time helps you avoid credit card fees, and it's also the best way to build credit and improve your credit score. Even if you're a credit card beginner, setting up autopay is the smartest move you can make. Hack number 2. Use credit cards for bills you already pay. Here's the second hack: put your monthly expenses like phone, internet, Netflix, and groceries on your card. Why? Because you're spending that money anyway. This unlocks hidden credit card benefits like cashback, rewards points, or even airline miles. That's how I flew round trip from Manila to Singapore just from rewards. Remember, the best way to use a credit card wisely is to treat it like cash, but with perks attached. Hack number 3. Stack rewards and cashback. Hack number 3 is one of my favorite credit card hacks banks don't tell you: stacking rewards. Example: use a card that gives you 2% cashback on groceries. Then shop at a store running a double points promo. Pay with a rewards app or e-wallet linked to your card. Boom! You've just multiplied your rewards. This is how to maximize credit card rewards without overspending. Always ask, how do I get the most out of this swipe? Hack number 4. Ask for credit limit increase. Request a higher credit limit, but not so you can spend more. Instead, it lowers your credit utilization ratio, which is key to how to build credit and how to improve your credit score with a credit card. A simple call saying, "I'd like to request a limit increase based on my payment history," can boost your approval chances. Just don't fall into the trap of seeing your new limit as free money. Hack number 5. Leverage sign-up bonuses and promos. Don't ignore credit card approval hacks and sign-up bonuses. Many cards offer spend X in 3 months and get a huge bonus. This could mean free travel, gadgets, or cash. If you're a credit card beginner, target one card with the best promo for your lifestyle. Pro tip: time your sign-up with a big planned purchase like new appliances to easily hit the spending requirement without wasting money. Now here's a bonus myth buster. Many people think having multiple credit cards is bad. The truth: this credit card myth is debunked. Having more than one card can actually be good, as long as you manage them responsibly. It diversifies your credit, gives you access to more rewards, and even provides backup in case one card is declined. The key is not the number of cards, but using a credit card responsibly. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one hack from today and apply it this week. Whether it's setting up autopay, moving your bills onto your card, or calling for a credit limit increase. Just start. And if you want all these tips in one place, I've made a free credit card cheat sheet. To get it, just send an email to freedomyearsproject@gmail.com with the subject line, Credit Card Hack. I'll send it straight to your inbox. Let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. Hack 1. Always pay in full and on time to avoid fees and build credit. Hack 2. Use your card for bills you already pay to unlock hidden benefits. Hack 3. Stack rewards and cashback for maximum value. Hack 4. Ask for a credit limit increase to boost your credit score. Hack 5. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses and promos. And the bonus. Don't fall for the myth that multiple cards are bad. It's all about using them responsibly. These are the most powerful credit card hacks to save money, build credit, and finally use your card as a tool instead of a trap. Also, you should find out what kind of credit card fits your personality. Are you a frequent traveler? Get a credit card that earns miles from a partner airline. Are you into coupons and freebies? Get a credit card that partners with your favorite merchants. Or, do you like earning rewards points or cashbacks? A cashback credit card is the perfect one for you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the best credit card tip you've ever used, or what's a credit card mistake to avoid that you learned the hard way? Share it in the comments. Your story might help someone else. And don't forget to grab your free cheat sheet by emailing freedomyearsproject@gmail.com with the subject line, Credit Card Hack. Also, subscribe for more finance tips and money hacks every week.